Welcome back to another Volkswagen tutorial. Okay, I've had a couple of you ask me how to get my hood latch open when you pull the handle inside and it doesn't open. So probably a broken hood latch cable, but we need to get the hood open to replace it. So we're going to attempt to do that today. Okay, so ignore the multicolored car. I'm in the middle of painting it. It was red. It's going to be a color gray. But what we're going to do, we're going to have to come up from underneath because the hood is closed. It's going to be pretty difficult. But we're going to be trying to squeeze those together there with pliers or something, just like the cable would do. Which will release it. But we're going to have to probably jack the car up, come from underneath. We got the car jacked up. Don't forget to use a jack stand. And we have our tools here. I've got regular pliers and these pliers. It's a little bit longer, might be the ticket. Okay, so I think the route we're going to take, I reached straight up here and my hand was hitting the span guard. I couldn't reach it because of the angle, so I'm going to try to go over to the left side a little bit. It's a little bit thinner there. Might be able to reach up through here and then hopefully get to it. Again, what I'm going for is this right here. Yeah, this is pretty tight. There's a bit more space. You know what? Yeah, just feel around for it. Forget the pliers. So yeah, once I bypassed everything, I was able to get my fingers on it. You just feel around for it, you'll feel the cable. I'm gonna try the these funky needle nose pliers, see if I can get it with it. Not sure. You're gonna have to have a skinny arm to reach up here. If you can't make it, see if these might work. Let's give it another shot. Bad part is you can't really see. It's like I know I'm close, but I can't see what I'm doing. It might work. Maybe just pinch it and scoot it over. There we go. From there you can just open it like normal. And if this latch is broken, check out my other video. I tell how to replace that from here. So using my hand was definitely the easiest, if you can get it up here. I came right up through here, and then was able to just squeeze it like that. Popped right open as you saw. If you can't do that, the needle nose pliers do work. What I had to end up doing was just pinching it and then brute forcing it over, twisting it. My original plan was to grab it like that and squeeze it, but that wasn't going to work. So yeah, find the easiest route. If your arm won't fit, then get you some of these pliers. You can probably get them at a hardware store, maybe Walmart, something like that. Hope this video helped you. If so, be sure to give it a Grease Monkey thumbs up and let me know what you need help with next. This is still under construction, got some painting left to do, but let me know what you guys think, what you'd want to see next. Thanks for watching.
Tonight it's going down. Got the whip tuned up with the top roll back, hands up in the sky. Tonight it's going down, down, down. It's going down if you want it, not afraid to get up on it. We gon' hustle till we own it, that's right.